feel like I look crazy, especially like half of my face is really dark and half of my face is really bright. I'm trying to turn this at a good angle, but the house is crazy and it's whatever. But I've been trying to film an intro for this video, but the baby keeps crying. So hello, welcome back to another video, and I hope y'all liked last week's video. I know I haven't done any like step-by-step tutorials, but I really don't want to do a tutorial on any patterns that aren't originally mine, or I haven't changed enough for me to be able to say it has been mine, because I think for it to not be copywritten, it has to be like 21 or 20%, not 21, 20% different than the original. So if I'm not changing a whole bunch of like rows or stitches or anything like that, I don't think it's fair for me to claim it as my own. And I also, if I'm doing a review on things, I rather, like the lace, what is it called? I think it was called the Irish Rose. It's like the edging that I did. I kind of did that like, I did that step by step, but it was so confusing that I was able to like kind of do a review off of it and make some kind of content out of it. But I believe in cases like this where I'm like legit just copying the not recipe but the pattern and telling y'all or showing y'all what it looks like at the end and telling y'all if it's like worth it or not, or just showing y'all what I'm doing, then I believe that that should be like in this type of video where it's like a vlog, or I'm showing you sort of kinda like my day-to-day life. But also when I have my kids around, it's really hard to edit the videos. Like, it's hard, but it's really not hard. The only reason why it's hard to edit videos with kids is that I blur them out, and so the blurring takes forever because I am not getting paid on YouTube yet. I still have like 2,000 watch hour views that I need. So if you really want to help me, all you have to do is just keep watching my videos. I will always put like a card video up here, or is it over here? But I would always put like a little thing at the top, or there's always a video at the end that YouTube will suggest what's best for you to watch from my channel. So it would always be at the end of the video. But if you want to see more of my videos, just click my channel and make sure you subscribe and like this video. But in today's video, we are going to do a granny square blanket, because I've been seeing them everywhere, and I have been really in this, I've been envisioning, I'll show you like a couple of pictures that I've been like picturing in my head, and I really want to do them. I would like a themed blanket for the holidays, so every single holiday I'll have a different theme. So maybe next month I'll do a like Thanksgiving or just fall in general themed blanket. Maybe I'll do like a blanket with some leaves, a coffee mug, or you know, just fall things. So yeah, I'm doing the best that I can on this channel. I know this channel, it's like I want to do tutorials and crafting and stuff, and I want to do the resin and do my rhinestoning that I've been doing, because that's like my most viewed video are the rhinestones. Maybe I'll get back to that, but I don't know. The channel, I've been going with more of like what my life has been and what best fits my life without having to sacrifice time with my kids. Like the past 2 hours I've been trying to film this video or do an intro for this video, and my baby, my newborn baby, has been crying every time I do it, and I finally got him down a little bit. He was, as you could hear, he was getting fussy a little bit, but for the most part I think he's down, cross our fingers. But yeah, that's why my videos have been a little bit weird. I'm just doing the best that I can with what I can. So if you like videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below what else I should do. So let's get on to the video. I did a bunch of stuff. I don't know what's going on with this camera, but I made a bunch of bats, freaking bats, if you know where that's from. Made a bunch of bats. Maybe you can see it like right here. It looks a little messy because they're not flat. But did a bunch. I did 6 to be exact. 6 bats. And I'm going to do 4 sets of 6. So 6 bats, 6 skeletons, 6 ghosts, and 6 pumpkins. So, oh, that's... Okay, that's 4. 4 things of 6. Okay, not 3. I was thinking, you know, I don't want 3 groups of 6s. So, yeah. So we'll have... is it 36? 18... That's 16, yeah, it should be 36 squares, but I might add some plain Jane squares to break up the squares with the different figures in it. Who knows? I'm gonna see how big the squares are in the first place and how big I have to block them, and that will determine on how big this blanket is, because I don't want it to be too big. I don't want to do too much with such little time. I don't want to spread myself thin, and I also would like to work on dishcloths for the month of November so that we have something to do. So, but I don't know why everything is so dark and blurry on this camera, but we'll figure it out soon, hopefully. Or see, it keeps like, I don't know. We'll figure something out. Sorry if I'm blurry. I'm trying my best with this camera right now. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed and we'll pick up tomorrow. Tomorrow I might do more little figures so that I might just sew them all on the back of the blanket or on the blanket so I don't have to make a bunch of granny squares that are possibly different shapes because I am having to do stitches around a pumpkin or something, and so that it looks more consistent. So, alright, going to bed. Bye. Okay, I had to get on here because he's getting fussy and I wanted to share with y'all. I made about 4 of these. I have to make 2 more, and then I'm going to do the stems and the little leaves, but these are little pumpkins. Like I said, I'm just going to do like the applique version of these, or do like the different pumpkins, skeletons, ghosts, and what else did I do? Bats. Pumpkins, skeletons, ghosts, bats. Yeah. And I'm going to do those first, and then do different granny squares in different colors, and then sew the shapes on top, just so it looks a little bit cleaner, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna make the stems and the leaves, but this pattern was pretty easy. It's just a double crochet, or 11 double crochets, but plus a chain 3, and then it's like 4 or it's 2 single crochets and 2 stitches, and then it's 2 double crochets and 4 different stitches, and then you repeat that again. And then the second one, you do like 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each of the double crochets, and then back to the 2, 1, 2 single crochets in the previous crochets, and it makes that pretty easy. So yeah. But anyways, baby's getting hungry. I need to feed him. And then I can actually like film the rest of this. I just didn't want to film at my mother-in-law's because I would have to do it with my phone, and to upload everything on my phone takes forever. Besides, like, doing it from my camera is so much faster. But I just wanted to share that because I did like 4 of these off camera, so now I'm going to do the rest of them on camera after I feed the baby. It's just really hard to get time to talk to y'all on the camera without any interruptions like this. So, alright, back to it. Okay, I had to step away from the baby real quick. He is listening to his noisemaker and his bassinet, just chilling with the little, there's like mobiles or whatever, or lambs. The bassinet shakes, has lambs at the top, and they shake. and it has a noisemaker, so we're good. But I made 6 pumpkins, so now I'm moving on to the ghost. So I'm watching this custom comfy crochet by, it says ... but I'm sure I'll link it down below. But it's the totally beginner Halloween, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to say totally easy beginner Halloween crochet ghost applique, easy crochet. So I'm going to work on those ghosts because I like the little ghosts that look like the Pac-Man ghost. I don't like the ghosts that look like little sperms and look weird. So doing those kind of ghosts, and then I'll do a skull, and then I should be done. But I'll show you when I'm done with the ghosts. I'm trying to show y'all, you know, what they look like after, or, you know, film after. But these were really easy and simple to do. Everything that I've done so far, like the bats and the pumpkins, the bats I actually finished in one night. The pumpkins took me pretty much all day because I was with my mother-in-law and I was also cleaning a little bit. You know, I did the kitchen. Y'all saw me do my dishes and do dinner, and then I had to take care of the baby in between, so that's why it took me a little longer to do these. But now I'm going to move on to the ghosts, so let's get to it. Okay, I don't know if I did it or not, but I made a bunch of these little ghosties. See, they're really cute. They look like a little Pac-Man ghost. So, I did a bunch of these that are 6. Let me show you. So, right here. So, yep. Now, we're going to move on to the skulls, and then we'll move on to the granny squares. But I think I'm going to make this a 2-parter, so, yep, because I need to curl my hair tonight. I have a doctor's appointment for my daughter, or not my daughter, my son. That's so weird to say now, my son. Like, I have a daughter and a son now, like, officially, and I'm just so excited. Today was also my first day of having both of the kids just by myself. Everybody's at work. Like, my husband was at work. I think my mother-in-law was at work. Like, it was a start of what our days are going to look like. Back to our daily scheduled program, like, day. And I just feel a lot more confident now, having 2 kids. Now I'm like, could I have 3? But then I'm like, nope, let's just do right now. That's what I'm doing now. I'm going to move on to the skulls, and I'll show you what the skulls look like when I'm done with those. But yeah, that's how I'm feeling today. But, alright, I'll talk to you after the skulls. Okay, I'm gonna go outside and make a little gift real quick for my niece because tomorrow's her birthday present or birthday party, and I want to give her a birthday present because my husband just wants to give her a gift card, but I'm like, I want to give her a present, like a physical present with a gift card. But I also want to show y'all what the skeletons look like. So this is the skeleton. This is a skeleton. This is a skeleton. So I made 6 of those. And next week we'll be making the squares, and week after next we'll be putting everything together, and then there will be a final video. Like that's probably gonna be 4 videos because I'm gonna have to do the squares in one video, then put all the shapes on the squares, and then map out and put together the actual quilt. So the next 3 videos are going to be all that, and then I'm going to show y'all the tumbler toppers that I bought that I'm about to make for my niece. But I'll show you what I'm going to make her, and then I'll show you the molds that I have before that. But stay tuned, subscribe, and I might do more like seller type videos and get y'all caught up on like my Poshmark stuff, because I'm almost an ambassador too, but I need to like share a whole bunch of people's Poshmark closet stuff. So if you have a Poshmark closet and you want me to like share your closet or like share the things in your closet, please link down below if you can. I don't know if I can do, or if I did links or not on my commenting, because I think I had to stop doing stop letting people do links because people were putting naughty links down below. But you should be able to put a link. If not, put down your Poshmark like @ thing, or your handle for Poshmark. But other than that, yeah, make sure you subscribe. The next 3 videos are going to be me quilting, or not quilting, but putting making all the squares, and then after that it's like pretty much putting everything together. Maybe I'll film making the squares and putting the things on the squares, but I also gotta map it out. I don't know. It's a lot of thinking, a lot of stuff. It's really complicated, but I don't want to just, shove it all in one video for y'all. So, yeah. And then we'll do some like Christmassy, like gift idea type videos, which will be the Stanley toppers, and then I'll post those on Poshmark. And yeah, hopefully by then I'll be a Poshmark ambassador. I need like less than 20 sales. I have like 34 sales on Poshmark, so I need to like get to 50 sales. Whatever the math is on that, I'll put right here. But yeah, make sure y'all help me out, and make sure you follow and watch all my videos, because I also need like 2,000 watch hours on my channel so I can start getting paid, because I have my 1K followers. I just need the watch hours so that I can start making money on here, and maybe I don't have to get a job by next year, which I'm probably still gonna get a job. Who am I kidding? The more money, the better, right? And then I can get out of the house and I can still do YouTube videos on the side. I'll just have my time in different ways, and maybe I'll have more money to where I can get a babysitter and have somebody watch the kids so I can do more videos. I don't know. Who knows? But, okay. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.